Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert web page to PDF in Microsoft Edge. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Edge, and as you can see, I have searched for something in this Microsoft Edge, and I'm just going to open one of the web page. I'm going to open this web, and then I'm going to convert this web page to PDF. We can click on the three dots on the top right guys, and then we can click on print. Okay, and here you can choose either you want to make it portrait or landscape, and then you can make it black and white if you want, but I'm just going to select color, and then we can click on print. Then you can name your PDF document just like so, and then click on save. And after that, I'm going to check it in my file explorer. Okay, this is the PDF document I have just saved. Alright guys, and that's all the way to convert a web page to PDF in Microsoft Edge. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.